20 Minute Setswana, Lesson 15, Grammar Notes section, Part 2. Let's talk a little bit about this object morpheme, because now we've had examples of the pronouns, which is wena. The subject morpheme is o.
Yeah, wena o.
And the object morpheme is ho.
Ho, yes.
Now, an example that I can pick out is way at the beginning in lesson 2, we had a sentence, ki itumelela gogobona, which means pleased to meet you.
Yeah, ki itumelela gogobona.
That's right.
So gobona is the infinitive
To see.
to see. But to see you, because actually that sentence previously was ki itumelela gobona wena.
Oh, that's right. I remember. Yes, I remember because wena can come at the end of the sentence.
Yeah.
I am glad, literally, to see you.
Yeah,
Wena. But we can replace this wena with the object morpheme.
yeah.
Correct?
So the object morpheme, according to the grammar rules, jumps in front of the verb.
Okay.
So the verb was bona. That's why you have gogobona.
Okay.
Gobona means to see,
I remember, yes.
but to see you, gogobona.
That's right. So it can be confusing because ho and ho spelled the same.
It's the same.
You say it the same, but total different meanings.
Yeah, it's different parts of speech.
Okay. Now, let's go through these object morphemes. Obviously, the object morpheme for wena is ho.
That's it.
What is the object morpheme for na?
Na is just a N.
Okay.
So when you use the na, the object concord of na, you just put an N in front of the verb.
That's easy enough. Let's flip that ke tumelela gogobona around. Let's say you are pleased to meet me. I'm going to say wena
Yeah.
o itumelela. You are happy. Wena o itumelela go
Gobona na.
Oh, yes, gobona na.
The na is after bona. Gobona na.
Okay, so that's the one way of saying it, adding
That's
that
it.
pronoun to the end of the sentence.
That's it. But now, if you use the object concord of na in this sentence, you would say wena u itumelela go mpona.
Okay,
There's another sound change that takes place. If you add an n in front of a b,
yes,
mbona,
that's right.
it becomes mpona.
The N changes to an M.
The NB
Oh, okay.
changed
Yes.
to MP, mpona.
Mpona.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
So
Okay.
it's the same. Our colleague that's helping is Mpho.
That's right.
Mpho. There was also a sound change.
Oh, it was originally an NB.
Yeah.
Mbo changed to Mpho.
Mpho, yes.
Okay. Well, once again, later in the lessons, we'll have a chart with all these sound changes that occur. But it's just good to get a feel of this object morpheme because it's important to start building these sentences.
Yeah.
So just for interest's sake, we have wena, which is the object morpheme of wena is ho. And the object morpheme of na is just an N.
It's just an n that comes in front of the verb.
Okay, which is accompanied by sound changes, which we'll get to. What is the object morpheme of rona, which is us?
Rona is the same as the subject concord. It's a re.
Okay, so that stays the
Yeah.
same. Rona, which is we, has an object morpheme that would translate as us, because you are happy to see, or I am happy to see us, would be ki tumelela go rebona.
Yeah.
Is that right? I am happy to see us.
Yeah, but in Setswana you would rather say ki itumelela go lobona, lona. To
Okay.
see you.
Oh yes,
Lona.
obviously you won't use it in that context.
Yeah.
So that's coming to the next pronoun, lona, which is
Lona.
plural for you.
That's it.
The object morpheme is
Lo.
lo.
Yeah.
Ki tumelela go lobona.
Go lobona.
Okay, well that's easy enough. And the object morpheme for bona, which is they.
Ba. Ki itumelela go ba bona.
Okay, so that stays the
Maybe
same.
we must use a sentence where we say the dog bites the man.
Okay.
Okay, in Setswana you would say Ntwa e loma monna.
All right, I got that.
Okay, now if you replace the object with an object morpheme, the object morpheme of monna is mo.
Okay.
So now you would say Ntwa e a mo loma.
All right.
You say the a comes back
That's right.
because there's nothing after
The verb.
verb. And if we use plural, we would say Ntwa e loma banna.
The dog bites the men.
The men.
That's right.
Okay, it's a vicious dog. Ntwa e a ba loma.
Ba,
Yeah,
because it's plural.
because it's banna.
That's right.
That's it.
Now, the dog bites them, which refers to the men.
Yeah. If we, maybe let's change it. Ntwa e loma katsi.
Okay.
So now you have Ntwa e a e loma. Because
Oh,
katsi
okay.
is in the ne-di class.
That's right.
And the object concord of katsi is e.
So in this context, the subject morpheme of dog and the object morpheme of cat are the same.
Is exactly the same.
It's
so
a
you
and
say Ntwa e a e loma.
Very, very interesting. I actually wanted to ask this question because with objects and animals, which mostly falls into the fifth noun class, the object morpheme would be e.
Yeah, but now if we use plural, I would say Ntwa e loma dikatsi.
Oh, the dog bites the cats.
Okay, now if we use cats object morpheme, it becomes Ntwa e a di loma.
Okay.
Okay, so you see that.
Okay. But it's actually easy to understand because this object morpheme and subject morpheme are very closely related, and just a little bit of practice can make this very easy to build bigger sentences.
Yeah.
So thank you very much for having joined us, Mr. Zarvik. We'll see you next week on 20 Minute Setswana. Go fitlhela nako e e tlang.